brakes work? This thing looks sick. Thumbs up for the baby moons. Those look great. Alright, time to return to base. Pretty quiet. Here's our one functioning turn signal. Stop at the stop sign. Well, it made it back, no problems. This thing is a lot of fun. I wish I could keep it, but I have a buyer lined up on Thursday to come pick it up. So I'm going to start scouring the internet, trying to find another project. So if you like this project, give me a thumbs up, consider subscribing. I try to do stuff like this all the time, or at least whenever I can. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and I will see you guys next time.